Have you ever wondered how you can make your time on social media more profitable? In today's digital age, social media is an untapped goldmine for income generation. We're about to explore 8 powerful strategies to turn your likes into lattes. Ready to delve into the world of social media income strategies? Let's get started. First up, affiliate marketing, a popular strategy that's easy to start with. This clever tactic lets you share products or services on your social media channels and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. So, how do you get started? First, you'll need to choose a product or service that you genuinely like and feel comfortable promoting. Once you've made your choice, you'll sign up for the affiliate program associated with it. This will give you a unique link that tracks any sales made through it. Next, you'll share this link on your social media platforms, in a blog post or a video, for example. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. It's as simple as that. Now remember, success in affiliate marketing is all about trust and transparency. Always disclose your affiliate relationships and build genuine connections with your audience. Now you're equipped to start earning commissions from your social media accounts. Next, let's talk about sponsored posts. These are a fantastic way to work hand in hand with brands and companies to create engaging content that promotes their products or services. Imagine this. You've got a lively social media platform where your followers trust your voice and value your opinions. Brands see this and want a piece of the action. They collaborate with you to create sponsored content, which could be anything from a blog post to a video or an Instagram post. This content is specifically designed to showcase the brand's offerings in a way that resonates with your followers. The key here is authenticity. Your followers trust you, so it's essential to partner with brands that align with your values and interests. This way, your sponsored posts will be genuine, engaging, and effective. And the best part? You earn money for creating and sharing this content. So, ready to collaborate with brands and earn from your content? Digital products, a lucrative income strategy worth exploring. In the world of social media, selling digital products can be a goldmine. Think ebooks, online courses, or printables. These are goods that require no physical inventory, just your knowledge and creativity. Let's break it down. Ebooks, for instance, are a fantastic way to share your expertise. Whether you're a whiz at gardening or a pro at coding, there's an audience out there hungry for your wisdom. Then there's online courses. These are comprehensive, step-by-step guides to teach a specific skill or topic. They're a brilliant way to build a passive income stream while helping others. And don't overlook printables. From planners to artwork, these digital downloads can offer value and convenience to your audience. So, how do you get started? First, identify your expertise. Then, create a quality product that meets a need. Promote it on your social media channels and voila, start creating and selling your digital products and watch your income grow. Let's dive into the world of freelancing. This universe is teeming with opportunities to turn your skills into a profitable venture. Whether you're a wizard with words, a graphic design guru, or a social media maestro, there's a demand for your talent. Imagine from any corner of the world, you can connect with clients who value your expertise. Now, how do you get started? First, create a compelling portfolio that showcases your best work. Remember, this is your digital storefront. Next, harness the power of your social media profiles. They're not just platforms for sharing memes and selfies, but also your personal billboards. Promote your services, engage with your audience, and build relationships with potential clients. Remember, freelancing isn't just about selling your services, it's about selling yourself. Your unique style, your commitment to quality, your reliability, these are your selling points. So, take the plunge. Time to turn your skills into a steady income stream. How about turning your creativity into cash by selling merchandise? Imagine transforming your original artwork or catchy phrases into trendy t-shirts, stylish mugs, or unique accessories. It's a fantastic way to share your creativity with the world, and best of all, you can earn from it. So, how does it work? First, you design your merchandise, which could be anything from a cool graphic for a t-shirt to a quirky quote for a mug. Next, you upload your design onto a platform that handles the production, shipping, and customer service for you. There are plenty of these platforms out there, like Printful or Teespring. Once your designs are up, the next step is promotion. Share your merchandise on your social media platforms. Show your followers how awesome your designs look in real life. Encourage them to support your creativity by buying your merchandise. Get creative and start earning from your unique merchandise. Moving on to the video kingdom, YouTube. It's not just an entertainment hub, but a platform that can turn you into a revenue-generating powerhouse. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, create a YouTube channel. Your channel is your personal space on YouTube, where you can share your creativity, your passion, and your unique perspective with the world. Next, create engaging videos. Sounds simple, right? But it's more than just hitting record. It's about crafting content that resonates with your audience. Keep it original, keep it authentic, and most importantly, keep it consistent. Now, monetize your channel. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn money from ads on your videos, channel memberships, or Google AdSense banner ads. But don't stop there. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored content. This adds another revenue stream and can significantly boost your earnings. Start creating engaging videos and monetize your YouTube channel. Ever dreamt of being a social media influencer? Well, it's not just about having a large following, it's about having an engaged community that trusts your recommendations. Building this community is a journey. Start by finding a niche that you're passionate about. Whether it's fashion, fitness, or food, your content should reflect your genuine interests. Once you've found your niche, consistency is key. Regular posts and interactions with your followers will keep you on their radar. And remember, quality trumps quantity. High-quality content that resonates with your audience will always garner more engagement. Now let's talk about working with brands. As an influencer, brands will pay you to promote their products or services, but be selective. Only partner with brands that align with your values and are relevant to your audience. Your followers trust you, so authenticity is crucial. So, are you ready to take the plunge? It's time to influence and earn. Last but not least, offering coaching or consulting services. This is about leveraging your unique skills or expertise in a particular field to help others. You see, every one of us is an expert in some area, and there are people out there who would benefit from your knowledge. So, how can you go about it? Start by identifying your niche. Maybe you're a whiz at marketing, or perhaps you have a knack for personal development. Once you've got your area of expertise, it's time to package it into a service. This could be one-on-one coaching sessions, group workshops, or even a comprehensive consulting package for businesses. Now here's the beauty of social media. It's your platform to showcase your expertise, connect with potential clients, and deliver your services. Use engaging posts, live videos, and direct messaging to interact with your audience. Remember, it's not just about selling a service, it's about providing value. Use your expertise to guide others and earn in return. So, there you have it. 8 powerful social media income strategies. From affiliate marketing to offering coaching services, the opportunities are as limitless as your creativity and ambition. But remember, none of these strategies are a magic ticket to overnight success. Building a successful online income is much like building a skyscraper. It requires a solid foundation, careful planning, and consistent effort. Just as an architect doesn't rush through the blueprint, you too should take the time to understand your chosen strategy, to learn its nuances, and to refine your approach based on feedback and results. And then there's patience. In our fast-paced digital world, it's easy to expect instant results. But just as a skyscraper isn't built in a day, your online income won't skyrocket overnight. It takes time to build a following, to establish trust, and to create content that resonates with your audience. So be patient. Keep laying those bricks one by one, and before you know it, you'll have built your own online empire. But don't just take our word for it. Start today. Choose a strategy that aligns with your skills and interests and start implementing it. Experiment, learn, and adjust. And remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step closer to your goal. In the world of social media income, consistency and patience are your best allies. They are the power tools that turn dreams into realities. So wield them wisely and watch as your efforts transform into a successful online income. Remember, the journey to a successful online income starts with a single step. So, take that step today.